Hello guys, I am Umair Nazim and welcome to the series of Object Oriented in Let's Code. Well, in the previous video, that was the lecture number 4, part number 1, we talked about the method overloading in Java. And now you're watching the lecture number 4, the part is 2. So in this part, I will demonstrate the things on the compiler and we will talk about the method overloading. So before doing a practical example, let me tell you again what is method overloading. Actually, method overloading means that, for example, if you have created already one method in your class and you want to create one more method with the same name. So how can you, rewrite the two methods with the same name? Well, it is possible in Java and also in other programming languages also it is possible, but there are some conditions for that one. So the conditions are actually, the first condition is that either the number of parameters must be different, and the second condition is either the data type of the variables inside the parameter must be different. So if you fulfill any of the one condition, you can do the method overloading. Okay. So now let me show you. So here I have created a class, my class, and within this class I have here main method, and here I have created one more class, that is adder. Okay. Now inside the adder class I will do the method overloading. I will overload the method and I will call them in the main class. Okay. So let's suppose that I want to create one method. Okay. That is, so first of all, public static, and I want to create a return type. So that's why the type I want to return is integer. So I will write here integer. Okay, public static integer, and the name of method I can write here, let's suppose add. Now as it is a return type, so I have to use here return. Okay, so now inside this is called a parameter. Okay. So inside this these brackets, now I want to enter some values. Okay, so let's suppose I will write here integer a, then the second value is integer b, and let me do the addition here. So in the return here I will return their addition, that is a plus b. Okay, so now this method with the name adder, it will return the addition of number a and number b. Okay, but now I want to create the same thing again once more. I want to use the same name. So how can I do? So here it will come the concept of method overloading. So I can do it like this. I will again write public static. Okay, and the return type, again it must be an integer. Again I can write the same name in the name is add. Okay, and here I have to write the return. So guys, one thing I want to tell you, please, while doing the method overloading, don't focus on this return type. Okay, it can be anything. Okay, return type can be anything. It does not affect on the method overloading. So the two conditions that I already told you, please always focus on that things, because that are the you can say the main things, that are the rules of method overloading. Okay, so now here what can I do? So to override the method, either I can put one value or either I can put three values, because here already I have implemented the two values. So if again I will create two values here, then it will make a problem for the compiler to understand that which method I am calling. Or the second condition that I told you, either I can also use the different data types. Okay, so let me here write let me put one value here. So again I will write here integer a. Okay, so now this time I will return the value simply a. So now here I have created two methods with the same name, but one method is containing the two values inside the parameter and one method is containing the one value. Okay, so now let me save this file with Ctrl S and I will go in the main method here. Okay, so here I will create first the object of the class. So now if I will write here ad dot, now I will write here add. Okay, so as you can see, when I write the name of my method, that was add. Okay, now it is giving me two options here. One is containing one parameter, one is containing the two parameters. So here first I will select the one parameter, I will pass the value here, let's suppose 10. Okay, and here I will call ad dot add again, and now I will call the second one. In the second one, let's suppose I will call 20 and 20. Okay, so here what will happen actually, so when I will pass the one value in the parameter, then it will call this method that is containing the one value inside the parameter. So when I will call the parameter with the two values, okay, when I will call the function with the two values, I mean the method, then it will go there and it will call this one, this method. Okay, so I will put this thing inside the printout statement. Okay, like this, and okay, like this. So here again I will put it inside the so now let me run. So as you can see that the first one is returning 10 and the second one is doing the addition, that is 14. So it's great. Now the second thing is that now I will tell you, and now I will enter the three values. Let's see. So again I will write here a, now integer a, integer b, and now I will put three values c. Okay, now do it like this, and here I am returning, okay, no problem, I am returning a, and if I want I can do the addition also. Let's suppose the addition a plus b plus c. Okay, so now here I will come, and as you can see we don't have any method with the one parameter. So here again, so let me delete this one and I can create one more. So here I will write add dot add. So now as you can see here, it is now giving, instead of one, it is showing the option as a three parameter. So I will press this one. In the first parameter I will write the value, let's suppose 10, second 20, and here I will write 30. Okay, so now let me run this one and you will see. Now in the first one it is giving 60. So when I will call that method, it will come here in the three parameters, and in the second one it is giving me the two parameters value, that is 40. Okay, so it is containing this one. So now actually that was the one case. Now if we come to the second case, as I said that either we can also change the data type inside the parameters. So how can we do that one? So I will create again one more method, public static. Okay, and here now I am dealing with the string, and I can return again the same data type, that is string. I can call the same name. So here return statement will come, and now this time what I will do here, now here I will take the two parameters. Okay, string, let's suppose okay, name and surname. Okay, string, okay, so here I am taking the name and the surname, and here I will do the concatenation and I will return, that is name plus surname. Okay, so what will happen, guys? So as you can see here, with the name add method we have the two parameters inside, and here again we have the two parameters inside. So as I said to you that either we can change the number of parameters or either we can change the data type. So now here I have changed the data type. If I will enter the string values, okay, then it will come to this one, this method. If I will enter the just integer values, then it will come this one. Okay, so let me show you also here. Let me save this one first, and now let me come here. So here already I am calling the two I am passing the two parameters and the integer parameters, and now I will pass add dot add. So as you can see here we have with the strings. So I will select this one and I will pass the string. So now here we had the integer and here we have the strings. Okay, now let me save this one and let me run. So as you can see, the result is here. So that is the simply concept of method overloading. So that is a very easy topic. So guys, I hope that this topic is clear to you. If you have any kind of question, you can write me in the comments. You can ask anytime. So see you in the next video with a new topic. Take care.